So today we have a lot more things to work on. First, so on this particular new application, we need to like add one more screen in the start so that it will start the branding part. This is the one screen which we have in old app, but we'll try to add the similar screen in this one with the basic version. So somewhere in the bottom, we'll say it's a basic version. So this is what the first point I need to work on, and then the second one will be uh, the inventory section. Right now, if I try to edit this, it's not working, so I need to modify that the so that I can be able to edit it. Then the customer database, it's not configured yet, so we need to work on the configuration of a customer database, and we'll try to make some changes on the build screen. So right now, this particular screen which is not required, we need to modify this particular screen so that this will be the percentage discount. This is not required here. This is not the goal of this particular screen. Even the price and the final price, yeah, that will be okay, but price it's not required. So this is one more thing which we need to work on. So let's see. Let's start with the development and see how things are working. And there's one more thing which I want to highlight in the previous code. We already configured one dashboard. Okay, so what I'm thinking, like go down and this type of dashboard we already configured. So this there's no data for today. That's why it's not capturing. It's a monthly data. That's why it's capturing because yesterday, day before yesterday, I done some manual testing. Okay, so thinking to build similar report here, but I'm not sure if I get a time today or tomorrow. But I will try to work on that. Um, Along with that, there is one more thing which I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to install this. Where is that? Yeah, OpenClaw on my system so that I can automate some of my work. But I haven't used it before. So I'll try to document each and every point. So this is something PowerShell script I captured from the OpenClaw. Install this particular, and now it's asking me to OpenClaw yeah, Cloud Doctor that wanted to run me, but I wanted to run this on the my local. So I install Ulama. I wanted to install. There is one another language which is the open and it's the free version. So yeah, this is the yeah GPT OSS colon 20B. This is the one. Just started downloading it and so almost 40% is done. Yeah, so 41%. So once it's done, I'll try to access that from the Ulama and I'll see if that works or not. But that is also additional thing which I'm working right now, apart from the current development. So let's see how things are working and what I can access from the Ulama and OpenClaw. So let's try to explore one by one each and every section. Yeah. I think that's it. Let me start developing this particular screen and not this one, generate bill and not on this. This is the old app, this one. Generate bill, then need to modify the inventory and then customer database. Let's try to work on these three things. Okay, let's connect again. Okay, let me tell you how much we have done so far. So the K billing, this is the B version. B version is basically the basic version. I updated my details here. Remove the logo, just wanted to make it more simple. Generate bill, this one, click on plus. If I select this particular item, here we have created this drop down and amount I can select say 100, quantity 5, and it will automatically calculate the value. This is the change. Again, in the inventory section, if I click on the item, this number will be automatically update to calculate the product number. Then if I modify it, say double E, save, This will get saved. And then same thing you will be updated in the bill section. You'll be able to find the same product here. So it's a quick update. After that, the if I go to the previous application, this one which we have done before, I'm testing this one again and again to check like everything is working well or not. So till now, I don't see any issue. In the generate bill tab, you can see this particular section. Today, I tried some tried creating some bills, and this is getting captured here. Even if I'm going into bottom daily monthly sale report, this is something new which I develop, and it's capturing the proper data. So growth and trend, this is also new thing which I captured. So this will give you the percent wise, like how much things are dropped, or is we are on plus side. Even on a monthly, we have a detailed report. So top selling item, payment, which payment method is using most, and then the category wise. So this is what we have captured here. So it's easy to track and easy to know like which item is getting sold. So this is one more thing. Even on the top, we have daily, monthly, and weekly sale. So it's pretty much easy to use. And I'm thinking to add one more report which can give you the month-wise data and the basically to filter it out. So if I want to do data between the 1 to 10 dates, so I can just filter that data. And just thinking to remove other report, because in the billing report we are getting almost all the information. Daily, monthly sale report we are getting almost everything in the dashboard format. So remaining one I'm just thinking to remove, and just trying to keep similar simple kind of reports based on the date and so a month format. So if I wanted to filter some monthly related data, I can just pull out that in Excel format and utilize it to create the dashboard. Similar way like between the filter between the dates. So that's the plan. For the another application, I haven't updated the logo here. This is the sample logo which I updated just for testing purpose, and it's working. Even in the report, the all the tabs are working well. We haven't configured yet inside. So in the shop detail, there are some basic information which is there, but report we haven't created anything backup and restore, that this features also not configure, and customer database also. So we'll start developing that, and it's a small application. This is not the bigger one because we are not capturing maximum information. In inventory, you have seen like only the name is there. So if someone want to just update the details by the name, then that's the only thing which they can do. It's just pretty much simple application for the uh, uh, people who are capturing things on the diary, and rather than that they can capture here. The another one is the big application. You get the dashboard, you get the reports, everything, and the even if you check the inventory, you have maximum information available here. If I go edit, you have name, product type, product category, quantity, purchase price, sale price, which color is it, size, brand, even the product number, like product ID, vendor. So everything is captured in this particular application. So this is the big one. But still, we are working on the small one also, so that people who are looking for the small application they can try that. But this is just a trial one. I'm thinking to move this everything on the Play Store, but that's the next plan. But let me just try to finish this application, then we'll see. This is for today, and for tomorrow, we'll try to work on the customer database and backup and restore. That's the next step. So stay tuned with us. Thank you for joining.